Hello my dear students. Before we start our new chapter, just we clear our idea regarding ratio. What is the ratio? In simple language, I can say it's a comparison. What? Comparison. We have to compare over here quantities. What we have to compare? Quantities. Either it's in unit, either it's regarding time. Yes or not? So here we have to compare the quantities. Comparison is known as a ratio. Ratio we can denote it with this sign. Okay, this is the sign of ratio. We can call is to. Okay, so whenever we have to denote a ratio, then we have to use this symbol. Is that clear, students? Now, what is the ratio? How we can find the ratio and when we can find the ratio? So students, for the finding ratio, we want the same scale, same unit. Okay, suppose I am just giving one example over here. Which one is it for you? Yes. Okay. Second standard students. Okay. Drink 1 glass of milk. 1 glass of milk and another second standard students. This is the second A and here second B. Okay. They are drinking the 4 cups of milk. Here they are drinking the 1 glass of milk and over here they are drinking 4 cups of milk. So we can compare the ratio. Here my ratio is 1:4 because over here 1 glass, here 4 cups. So 1:4. Can I say like this way? No. Why? Because over here it's given in a glass and over here it's given in a cups. So what we have to do? Either we have to convert glass into cups. It means we have to fill this one glass. And over here either we have to convert cups into glass. Okay. So we have to pour the milk in a 1 glass and then we have to check how many are left or what are there. Okay. In short, just I want to say you we can't compare it. Why? Because we have over here units are different. But suppose over here 1 glass milk and over here it's the 1 full and then half glass milk. Okay. Then we can compare. Yes, ratio is a 1:1 and half glass. Understood? Clear, students? When we can compare? When we have the same unit. Okay. Now I am giving one more example. Suppose from my home to school distance is 800 meter and from my home to my village. Okay. This one distance is 40 kilometer. Okay. Now we have to, this is the village. Okay. So now we have to compare this. We can compare? No. Why? Because one is given in meter, one is given in kilometer. So what we have to do? We have to convert either meter into kilometer, either kilometer into meter. It's depend on you. So better we are converting the kilometer into meter. So we know 1 kilometer is equal to how many meters, student? Very good. Is 1000 meters. Yes. So here 40 kilometer is equal to how many? We don't know. Put the question mark. Cross multiplication. 40 multiplied by 1000 divided by 1. So here is the 40,000. Clear? What is the 40,000 meter? Understood? If you remember, then we learn King Henry died unusually drinking chocolate milk. Can you remember, students? Yeah, so you can use this formula also over here. See, I will revise you. First we complete this one. So 40 multiplied by 1000, 40,000. Either you can remember like this way. We are moving small to big. So here small to big means multiplication. Okay. So 40,000 meter, and over here how many meter, students? 800. So here 800 meter. Now we can find the ratio. Now we can use over here sign of the ratio. Why? Because we have the same unit. Now how many zeros are equal in both the side? 2. Cut it. Okay, so over here 400 is to 8 meter. Again we have to cut, but these things we learn afterwards when we will do exercise. Let it be. Just here one thing remember, we can find the ratio only on we have the same unit. Okay, either meter, either kilometer, either hour, either minutes, either seconds. Understood? Otherwise we can't find the ratio. If you will directly do 800 gem like this way, 800 is to 40, then your answer is wrong. Understood? Why? Because here units are not same. So this way students we have to find the ratios. Okay. Now just remember, for to finding ratio, here you have to learn. First one is how to convert. Okay, so one formula is the King Henry died unusually drinking chocolate milk. Okay, so see over here, first letter you have to take King, K, Henry, H, D, U, D, C, N, M. K means kilo, H means hectare, D means deca, U means unit. Here D means deci, here C means centi, and over M means milli. Okay, so I am writing with this root form. King Henry died unusually drinking chocolate milk. Already we learn these things, students. Okay, so here first one is a unit. What is a unit? Okay, so here we know unit of mass is gram, unit of length is meter. Yes or not, students? These things we learn. Yes, and unit of capacity is liter. Okay, so these are the unit. These are the unit. Now, when we are moving from small, see over here big ones. Highest one is kilo, then after hectare. Highest one is kilo, then after hectare, then after deca, then after unit means gram, meter, liter, then after deci, then centi, and then after milli. So suppose we have to find gram, then it is a kilogram, hectagram, decagram, decigram, centigram, and milligram. Suppose we are finding regarding the meter, unit of length. We have to compare the length, then kilometer, hectometer, decameter, decimeter, centimeter, and millimeter. Suppose we are finding the capacity, liter. So kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter, deciliter, centiliter and milliliter. Understood? Now this one is a big. If we are moving the right side, then they are decreasing in order. Highest, then small, small and smallest is a millimeter. If we are moving the left side, then it is increasing in order. Small, then big and biggest. Understood? So you have to remember, when we are moving big to small, then what we have to do? Multiply. When we are moving small to big, then what we have to do? Division. What is the distance between over here 2 units? Yes, this distance is of 10. Here also 10. Everywhere distance is 10. Okay. Now we start with the simple example. 1 kilometer is equal to dash meter. Where is my meter? Here. Okay. So here, how many jump we required to reach over here meter? So 1, 2, 3. How many jump required? 3. So here, which side we are moving? Big to small. So what we have to do? Multiply. So here 3 jump. It means 10 and 10. Either we can write like this way, 1 and then after 3 jumps, so 30. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Understood? Now suppose we are moving the here 1 centimeter is equal to dash decameter. Okay. So which side we have to move? Yes, we have to move big side. Okay, left side. So small to big, what we have to do? Yes, division. So small number is over here. We have to reach till deca. So 1, 2 and 3. It means divided by 1000. 1 and 30. Okay. So over here 1 divided by 1000. And in decimal, if you want to write, then 1 divided by 1000. How we can write? Now you know these things. How many zeros we have? 3. But only 1 digit we have. So we have to take the help of 2 0. So over here 0 and 0.0. Okay. So here 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 1000 decameter. Either 0.001 decameter. If you want to write as a fraction, then this, and if you want to write as a decimal, then this. These things already we learn in a fraction chapter. Clear, students? So this way you have to find the value. Just one thing remember, if we are moving left side, then multiply. Why? Because we are converting big number to small. And if we are moving the left side, then we have to divide. Why? Because we are converting small unit into big. Here our unit is a gram, meter and liter. Gram is for mass, meter is for length and liter is for capacity. Okay. So these things you have to learn. King Henry died unusually drinking chocolate milk. Please students, write in your notebook. Try to understand properly. In a head standard, it is useful for you, and already we learn also these things. Okay. So this is like your revision. So in these, when we have to find the ratio, then what we have to do? We have to make the same scale, either converting kilometer to meter, either converting meter to kilometer. Same way students, we required this thing for the time. Okay. So in a time, what? 1 day is equal to 24 hours. 1 year is equal to 365 or 366 days. 1 week is equal to 7 days. These things you know very well. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Same way 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Yes or not? So this is regarding time. So here students, please remember all these things. Then after, money. Okay. So here 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. Okay. Either 100 paise is equal to 1 rupee. So this much unit you have to remember. This is regarding time, this is regarding money. It is very easy. And over here King Henry died, unusually drinking chocolate milk. So you have to learn, students, all these things, and please write in your notebook. Thank you.